the Telangana demolition drive and the fresh crackdown in the anti-encroachment spree. Well, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, remember, backed this demolition drive, and now this has reached the doorstep of the Chief Minister's brother himself. In fact, a fresh notice has been served to the Chief Minister's brother. Now, this, remember, after a BRS MLA was also served an anti-encroachment notice. In fact, Chief Minister Revanth Reddy said that this is beyond politics for me. He invoked the Bhagavad Gita as well to say that my interest lies in protecting the water bodies of Telangana, which is why this anti-encroachment drive will spare no one. In fact, actor Nagarjuna was also served an anti-demolition notice. In fact, his convention center was demolished, something that he came out and said that this is misinformation because of which this demolition exercise is being carried out. But now, very interesting that the Chief Minister's own brother has been served a notice. Our senior colleague Uma Sudhir is now joining us live. So, Uma, nobody really being spared in this demolition drive. In fact, the Chief Minister invoked the Bhagavad Gita. He said, this is beyond politics for me. This is about protecting the water bodies of Telangana. And now the Chief Minister's own brother being served a notice.
Yes, indeed. The Chief Minister certainly wants to make a case of it and saying that he is being apolitical in his authorities or in his officers actually issuing notices. Yesterday, in fact, in a chat with the media people at the Secretariat when the inauguration, or rather the place where the Telangana Talli will be, statue will be installed on the 9th of December, when he was doing that, subsequently he spoke about the demolitions and said that it's not just BRS leaders who are being served demolition notices, and that his own family members also, if there are any violations, he was open to the idea of them being demolished. And today we see the Deputy Tehsildar of Serilingampally issuing a notice, we understand, to Tirupati Reddy, who is a brother of Revanth Reddy. This is for his residence that is by the side of Durgam Cheruvu. Durgam Cheruvu, let me point out, is a very high profile address in Hyderabad, and it is in fact called as the secret lake, but in and around it is all the very very hi-fi and very well-known addresses in Hyderabad. And that lake itself it was supposed to have been about 100 acres, and that has come down to about 84 acres, we understand. And the Chief Minister saying that they are very serious about removing encroachments on all water bodies, and that is why it is not just the leaders of the BRS who are being issued notices, but others as well. Yesterday he even mentioned that one of the first structures that was demolished was an encroachment that had been caused by Congress leader's brother, former Congress MP Pallam Raju's brother. Notices have also been issued to Congress leader Dhanam Nagender, his properties as well, and we saw actor Nagarjuna's convention hall and convention also being destroyed. And now what we are seeing is that notices are being issued to all those structures which are seen as encroachments. And yes, the Chief Minister's brother also now receiving a notice in the colony around Durgam Cheruvu. What we understand is that not just Durgam Cheruvu colony of Amar Cooperative Society where the notice has been issued, but also to Kavuri Hills, another very big, very well-known address in Hyderabad, Nectar's Colony, Doctor's Colony, Amar Society, all of which are in and around this Durgam Cheruvu area. All of them have also received notices now. Earlier this morning as well, we were reporting about how people who had got, the leaders who had got notices on the educational institutions that they run, those were BRS leaders. They had gone to the court and they've got a 1-week stay on those notices. But in this case, in Tirupati Reddy and the case of several others to who notices have been issued, they have been given 30 days as notice period, during which they must either remove the encroachments themselves, or the authorities will come forward and do it. And this is being done under an act that's called Volta Act in Telangana, that was passed in 2002, and it is meant to be a Tree, Land and Water Bodies Protection Act. Back to you.
All right.